I'm an immigration attorney, and these are the first three things I tell my clients to do once they get their green card. The first thing they need to do is update other agencies, most importantly, the Social Security office. So, when you have a Social Security number prior to receiving your green card, most Social Security cards have an annotation at the top of that card. Once you get your green card, you're supposed to receive a new Social Security card that removes that annotation. Now, the Social Security office should automatically send you that updated card, but it doesn't always arrive. So, I tell my clients that if you don't receive the Social Security card within a couple of weeks of your green card, to make an appointment at the Social Security office to obtain the card in person. Of course, you also want to update the DMV and your employer to let them know of your current immigration status so that they can update their record. The second thing I tell my clients is to store a copy of their green card for their records. These days, I'm advising clients to keep their green card on them at all times, so it's even more important to have that copy in case the original gets lost. The third thing I tell my clients is to keep a timeline. So if you're a conditional resident, you should be marking 90 days before your card expires so that you know when you have to file the extension. If you're working with an attorney, you should actually calendar maybe 4 months in advance so that you and the attorney can get that application ready. More importantly, you also want to calendar your eligibility for citizenship. If you're married to a US citizen, you can apply for US citizenship at your 3-year green card anniversary. If you're not married to a US citizen, then you can apply for US citizenship after having your residency for 5 years. So in many ways, getting the green card isn't the final chapter. It's actually potentially the start of another journey. So make sure you take those 3 steps once you have your green card, and congratulations.